Kazakhstan is a hotbed of large black production. The city of Karaganda, which has become the birthplace of coal, provides the country with energy resource and is a developer of industry. The main forces in this area are miners. They work for a stable economy and productive production, bringing not only Kazakhstan but also our country to the world stage. However, what's the price of its work?
В Караганде завершился процесс по делу о гибели 46 горняков на шахте Костенко. Казахстан скорбит по жертвам взрыва в угольной шахте.
На протяжении почти а сама компания, которая принадлежит шахте, погибших горняков купят жилье и погасят все действия ручным отоплением, обещают обеспечить ремонт.
В последние годы ЧП на предприятиях комбината произошли.
Currently, the number of work and research on risk areas is increasing, and workers are suffering as a result. In order to avoid these consequences, scientists around the world have developed various robots. Especially the number of robotic machines in the coal industry is not small. However, their time to learn programming and hard work is too long. At the same time, the cost of building a robot is unprofitable for entrepreneurs. Our idea is that the robot will not only save lives of mine workers, but also train engineers who will work with robots from ordinary miners. The miner is no longer just an unskilled worker. He becomes a specialist in robotics and industrial safety, managing complex systems instead of risking his life underground. A person learns to manage technologies to make the right decisions. Thus, smart, high-tech jobs will be created in production. Our robot will radically change the industrial world. Avatar robot. The human-to-robot system revolutionizing dangerous environments, starting with underground mining. The idea is brilliantly simple. The operator stays safe on the surface, sleeps on sensor suite, and the robot underground becomes their avatar, mirroring every move to tackle heavy, high-risk tasks. The system has three powerful components. First is wearable suite. 70 MPU 9250 IMU sensors on K joints consist of shoulders, elbows, wrists, pelvis, knees and ankles. 100 HC sampling, just 0.8 kg, captures every motion instantly. Second is compute block. Filters noise and drift, calibrates magnetometers, converts your gestures into precise robot commands. Third is industrial robot. IP68 tachlet platform, dual 6-DOF hydraulic manipulators, sensors, real-size cameras, Hokio lidar and gas analyzer. How it works? Data from the suite is filtered and smoothed, then transmitted over the network to the robot. For each joint, the target's angle is calculated with scaling and safety corrections. If there is an obstacle nearby or there is a risk of collision, the system limits the speed, and in case of dangerous gas, loss of communication or an emergency gesture, the stop is activated. In the ROC simulation, the system showed approximately 95% accuracy in repeating movements and accelerated task completion by about a third, while the operator's risk becomes a zero. We see a startup as a market opportunity, not just an idea. Combining our engineering, analytical and managerial skills, we are developing an innovative product based on viable business model. We are a synergy of three different but complementary abilities. Abylay is an engineer who has won prizes at the International STEM Olympiads and robotic competition for 3 years. His experience, which took first place in the Battle of the Robots at the International STEM Olympiad, proves his level of technical training. The architecture, algorithmic solutions and engineering implementation of the project are his responsibility. He turns an idea into working technology. Nurai is a future financier with an interest in the field of programming and market analysis. He builds a business model of the project and studies the viability of product in the market. Its analysis ensures that the robot solution is not only technically but also economically viable. And Armanay is the strategy coordinator and creative leader of the project. She structures ideas, organizes the team processes, and monitors the timely implementation of the project. Its role to unite the potential of the team and direct it to a common goal.